Hi viewers, welcome to Rusbro channel. If you're not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe, like this video and comment your opinion in comment box. Okay guys, a lot of IT guys are working in computer, those who know very famous game called Google Dinosaur. We all know if our computer disconnected from internet, our browser redirect to this offline Dinosaur game page. Okay, in this game, dinosaur run in the land. While running in the land, dinosaur will meet a lot of objects like tree, birds, etc. The game rule is dinosaur should run without hitting those objects. If dinosaur hit the object, that's it. Its game is over. So today I'm going to show you a small trick. You can do a small thing and play the game without get out even if you hit the object. Finally, you all can act as a good player in front of your colleague or friend, anyone. Okay, let's move to the video. First of all, I will disconnect my internet and get that offline page. Okay, disconnect. Uh, just search something, you will get into the page. Okay, let's see. I will play this game. Uh, okay, dinosaur getting moved. See, I will hit this object. Okay, game is over. Now let's see how to do that trick. In this page, you need to open the inspect element. To open the inspect element, there are two ways. One is press F12 button in your keyboard. Second one is right click on the page and click inspect element. You will get into the inspect element. Once you get into the inspect element, there are multiple tabs. You can see elements, console, source, network, etc. Then you need to move to console tab. Once you get into the inspect element, there is a arrow mark you can see here. In front of that arrow mark, just do a click. Now you have to type a function that Google have used. Just type runner dot type prototype dot game over. This function only they have used, game over, and equal all the function bracket empty braces. Just do a enter, enter, press enter button in your keyboard. Okay, that's it. Now you can close this inspect element by clicking this close button. Okay, now let's see. I will play this game again. Just click the button. uh, First I will move. See, if you hit the object also you will not get out. And you can play like this in front of your friends or colleague. Thanks guys, thanks for viewing. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and comment your opinion in the comment box.
If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon.